family farm, generations celebrating 100 years. So my question is, why can't the Asiatics get together as a family and it's amazing that you put all that work in a 9 to 5. You drink on the weekend, party on the weekend, gossip on the weekend, or even during the week, and never took the time out to do for self. It's amazing. These people, again, as you see here, 100 years, 1925 to 2025, the Har Family Farms.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay. And I ain't mad at them. You know, I actually commend them and respect them because they choose to keep something, establish something, and keep it in the family. This is their whole row here. Of a unified business. Fresh farm meat, not from the grocery store. The state of Missouri. Real steak, real beef, real bacon, real chicken. And look at the price, very, very good, very economical. 3 pounds for $18. You can't beat that. You got fryers. Just looking. Eggs. Real butter, real honey. Again, 100 years. And counting. As you can see here, again, they are proud. And again, I commend them. Because all we've been doing for the last 50 years or so since the civil rights movement is party and bullshit and gossip on one another, entertain one another, try to outdo one another instead of having a cooperative unity of agriculture and business. That's why I choose to get into agriculture with a few like-minded people. Because everything you're buying in the grocery store, 90% of what you buy is synthetic, adulterated, refined, bioengineered, GMO. Again, it's I have to say it's a goddamn shame that we put so much investment in sports, women shaking their ass on the stage, and as you see what's going on, human trafficking and all other stuff. And they're nothing but pawns, and you're nothing but a pawn by entertaining or being entertained by these idiots instead of teaching your children or learning them how to grow something. I don't care if it's micro farming or micro greens. You know, it's just a goddamn shame. This is all that you do is consume as a people. Welfare. I'm proud to say I've been an entrepreneur for 33 years, never received a business loan, a student loan, because I was, as I stated before in other videos, because of red tape, racism, prejudice, or bias, or whatever you want to call it. So I managed to open a total of 4 health food stores without any assistance, privilege, or benefit. And if I can do it practically by myself, there's no rhyme or reason the Asiatic families around this country can't pick up a shovel, a hoe, get some topsoil, and grow your own produce, microgreens, raise your own chickens. My neighbor bought some property, and that is the only place that I get my eggs from. I don't buy a damn thing regarding produce unless it is actually organic, but absolutely no animal products or protein, meat products in the grocery store at all. There you have it. 100 years. Something to think about. Dr. Botanica, peace and be well.